How would I describe him in 3 words? Courageous, indomitable, wild. A prince, supremely elegant, impeccable, always in control.
His ideal weekend? Zipping off to the ocean.
Come Saturday, the tracks, they all had things for him.
Openings, events, vernissages, charity dinners, conferences.
His social life
Is as hectic as can be.
The person he hangs out most with, himself.
His favorites, rock and roll, opera, and jazz.
He comes to me twice a year.
His letter jacket. It's his uniform.
Definitely a good guy. A bad guy.
He's a mystery to me.
He drives a Lambo.
He drives a Lambo.
He drives a Lambo.
He drives a Lambo.
He drives a Lambo. He drives a Lambo.
He drives a Lambo.
He drives a Lamborghini Huracán Tecnica.